Hey, this is Oglu and today we'll talk about simple present tense, part 4. So, fasten your seatbelt, it's party time. So, when I want to make a negative sentence, I use he, she, it plus does not or doesn't plus verb, and the verb here is infinitive. For example, as we can see here, Sarah is very angry. So I say when Sarah is angry, she doesn't talk to anyone. And in the next example here, John doesn't exercise. He likes to check his phone more. And here with he, she, it plus is not or isn't plus noun or adjective. For example, as we can see here, Mark hurts Laura, so I say Mark isn't nice with Laura. He loves hurting her. And in the next one here, John says, climbing isn't easy, but it doesn't make me stop. And that's all for today. If you liked today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't, share with me an example in the comment below to check your understanding. And I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.